Good morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. Harmony is exchanging at $0.044 in term of its United States dollars rate, with a value change of 0.12% in most recent 60 minutes. One has an all-out market cap of $534,334,997, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $63,938,717. This makes Harmony, 1, positioning at 84 in the digital currency market. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Harmony cost forecast finish of 2022, what will Harmony be worth in 2022? Is Harmony a wise venture worth purchasing in 2022? Will one cost outperform its record-breaking high? These are our Harmony cost expectations for one's future. On May 13, one was esteemed at $0.040336 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically finishes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 15.98%. A week prior, on May 7, Harmony was exchanged at $0.077381 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 14, which was actually a month prior, the theorists exchanged one at $0.122969, the cost level that is at the distance of 63.93% from where it at present stands. Yesterday, on May 13, the market capitalization of Harmony remained at $486,514,662. A week prior, on May 7, the capitalization of one was $932,772,584. A month prior, on April 14, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $1,468,595,855. The absolute stockpile of one at present stands at 13,455,893,468 coins. The circling supply of the digital currency under audit is 12,063,496,468 This specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members, carried the cost of Harmony to the level at $0.044356 where it at present sits. As currently referenced, one is a low-position cryptographic money since it as of now involves the 75th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric still up in the air, by increasing the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. On account of Harmony, the market capitalization remains at $535,092,994. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. Market capitalization is another significant metric that assists dealers with deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to evaluate the offer that Harmony holds inside the whole cryptographic money market. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization is somewhat basic. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to is increased by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of one stands at $535,092,994, enough to name it the 75th biggest coin on the digital currency market. Like the entire days, we are back for certain significant subtleties or data about the cryptographic money market that has turned into a monstrous market on the planet among financial backers and merchants. Further in this video, you will learn about Harmony Price Prediction 2022 with some more data that is critical to be aware. Basically, there are loads of ways of financial planning and acquire through effective financial planning market. However, at present, the digital currency market has become one of the quickest and simplest ways of bringing in some measure of cash through this stage. Many individuals are attempting to turn into a piece of the stage, however, in the beginning, and with practically no exhortation, they became mixed up in their coin and skirt additional data. Indeed, the market will show an astonishing benefit to the financial backers, assuming they put resources into the right coin at right time. Indeed, without burning through your time, We ought to give significant data about the coin since, supposing that you looking for something good and moving coin of the day. Indeed, it isn't not difficult to pick the best coin of the day, since there are loads of coins that comes to the rundown of moving coin of the day. However, our specialists have picked the best coin of the day that comes on first spot on our list. Congruity 1 coin is perhaps the most misjudged coin right now, which implies the coin will blast at any point in the near future. Thus read the post further to find out about one coin cost forecasts. The name of the coin is Harmony 1, and since the theme turned out according to the financial backers, it has become one of the moving coins of the day, and everybody is anticipating something great from the coin from here on out along these lines. How about we figure out the coin and its data? What is Harmony? Allow us to let you know that OneCoin is a blockchain stage intended to work with the creation and utilization of decentralized applications, dApps. The organization means to develop the manner in which decentralized applications work by zeroing in on irregular state sharding, which permits the formation of squares like a flash. As indicated by the venture of the site, Harmony is supposed to present cross-shard contracts and a cross-chain framework toward the finish of 2022. Alongside this, the data is uncovering that Stephen C. is the pioneer and CEO of the Harmony. He has a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania. He was likewise an examination assistant at Microsoft, and in 2006, he started to fill in as a senior architect at Google and burned through 4 years in the organization. Perhaps, the attention on handling velocity and approval made it extraordinary. The Harmony mainnet has an expect-to-alter block creation. By presenting the sharding system, the organization decreased hub approval times altogether. One price prediction currently, the coin is continuing high, and everybody is expecting that the coin will give better returns in the forthcoming years. This as well as a portion of individuals are as yet looking at the Harmony 1 cost expectation of the coin with respect to the amount it will reach in the impending years and how might they put resources into this coin. In this way, the ongoing cost of the coin is $0.1412 United States dollars with an exchanging volume of 184,698,631.35 and the cost of the coin was changed by 9.07% as of now. Continue to recall that the data is broke down during compassing this video, and assuming you will confront any sort of progress in the coin along these lines, there isn't our issue since it tends to be changed whenever. Presently, a portion of the data has been given above, yet the financial backers are likewise looking at the Harmony 1 cost estimate since it is additionally critical to be aware and keep refreshed that how much the cost of the coin will reach before the year's over. All the data is essential to our solicitation to you. Avoid no point of this video and read it cautiously prior to putting into the market. Indeed, the value forecast of the coin has been delivered and you can really look at every one of the subtleties underneath. Agreement price prediction 2022. Assuming you have intended to hold the coin along these lines, it will be a superior decision for you in light of the fact that the expectation offers something great for you as the cost will take another high leap around mid-year and by, it will astonish with its cost. The specialists say that we can expect the cost of the coin around $1.25 United States dollars before the year's over. Till now you have learned about concordance cost expectations, however realizing some essential data prior to purchasing the coin is significant. Further, you will peruse all data connected with OneCoin.